Hey guys, welcome to this introduction video to Go High Level for real estate investors. In this module, I'm going to explain to you what Go High Level is, what a CRM is, why you should use it, and how it all fits together in the bigger context of your marketing efforts. After that, I'm going to give you guys a quick tour on the main features of Go High Level, and then I'm going to help you guys set up your own account in a very basic way. And then in subsequent modules, we're going to build on that, and we're going to go through automations and through building forms and connecting it to the rest of your applications. Okay. So the dilemma is that in every kind of business, not just in real estate, you guys face the problem of getting to the lead first. So if you're not able to answer your lead immediately, that person is going to go somewhere else. It's going to go to one of your competitors and you're going to lose the lead, period. But Go High Level essentially offers you that solution. So it offers you automations that work 24/7 and follow up with your client automatically. And that basically means that it will act on your behalf whenever you're not around, so that you won't really lose the client. Your client will always have communications from you, even though they're not really from you, they're just an automation. Now, what is a CRM? A CRM is essentially stands for Customer Relationship Management. It is a database where all of the information from each of your clients is stored, all of their communications that they've had with you in the past, and how they've interacted with you and your company in the past as well. It is a centralized place of all the information that's gone on with each of your clients at all times since they started to interact with you. So essentially, the CRM is the glue that holds your business together. Your leads will be able to come in through your website forms, through your LinkedIn, through your Facebook accounts, through a bunch of different sources, and they all get fed into the CRM. And the CRM is essentially the central place where all of your business processes will be going to actually get their information, to actually uh, produce their automations and workflows and all that sort of thing. And then after that, the automations will use that information in order to like send personalized emails, personalized messages, send letters of intent, send contracts over, whatever. Go High Level finally, what it does is that because it's got all of the data input in the same place, it will be able to offer you a very top level view of how your business is going. So your KPIs, your measurable indexes, where each client is in their journey with you. So if the new lead comes in, they've gone through a couple of processes, and then you actually close the lead. It offers you a very top level view of everything that is going on through your business. So that essentially concludes our presentation. And now I'm basically going to give you guys a quick tour of what Go High Level is. As soon as you go into Go High Level, you're going to be greeted with this launchpad. Now, the launchpad that you guys are going to see is very different from the one that I'm seeing. You guys are going to be seeing a bunch of tutorials and videos that I strongly suggest you go through, because it will teach you how to use Go High Level very efficiently. As you can see, the mobile app, I've already installed my mobile app, which is what we're going to be going through in a couple of minutes. The dashboard is your place where you can really see the top level that we were talking about before. This will have all the facts, all the figures, how much money you've made, and as soon as you populate your CRM with leads, you'll be able to see a lot more here. The opportunities tab is the pipeline that we just talked about. This is new lead. This is where all of the new leads will be coming into. Then you will contact them, then you will qualify them, then you will nurture them, send them a proposal or a letter of intent, and then you'll essentially close the deal. And that's how this pipeline is working. Something else that I do want to show you is conversations. This is where all of the conversations that you've had with your clients will essentially enter in this unread place, in this unread tab. This is calendars, is where you'll be able to see your calendars. We're going to connect that. Your contacts. This is basically dummy data that I've set up so that you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the single point where you will be able to see all of the information pertaining to said customer over here. And you can also make some really cool automations that will basically write notes for you. If you've had a conversation with someone over the phone and you've used one of the phone numbers on GoHighLevel, you can actually record the conversation and actually make notes out of it. But that's an advanced topic, so we're not really going to cover that today. Something else that I do want to go over is AI agents. That's another advanced topic that we're going to be covering, but not in this video. What I do want to mention is these two tabs right here, automations and sites. Now, automations, this is the main powerhouse of GoHighLevel. Here is where you'll be able to design email drip sequences, automatically follow up with leads. You'll be able to create workflows that do a bunch of different things. In sites, this sites is something that will help you guys set up your own websites. But if you guys want to set up your own websites on GoHighLevel, I'll make a separate video tutorial for that because it's an advanced topic and you do need to do other things, which I'm not going to get into today. Over here, the funnels, you guys can start from a bunch of templates, and funnels is basically just a one page, a landing page, and it's a very simple web page. If you do want something more complex, then you need to go into websites, and they will also be able to set you up with a free template. Now, this works very similar to Wix or to Squarespace or any other of the other drag and drop web builders out there. And also something that you can build over here is forms. So I've basically set up a couple of forms. So as soon as you build your form, you'll be able to see something very similar to this, and you'll be able to integrate it with your own systems, which I'm going to go over in the next couple of modules. Right, so that's it for the tour. Now I'm going to help you guys set up your account in a very simple way. So you guys are going to go into settings. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is that I want you guys to fill out your business profile if you haven't already. And I want you to fill out your business email, your phone number, your address, and all of that is going to be for you and for you only. So no worries there. Over here, you can also, in My Stuff, you can incorporate some other people. So you can add your team members if you want to work with other people. And now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be doing two things. We're going to be connecting our calendar. We're going to be doing three things. We're going to be connecting our calendar. We're going to be setting up integrations. And then we're also going to be downloading the mobile app, which is called Lead Connector. Okay, let's get started. So in calendars, what we're going to be doing is that all we're going to do is that we're going to create a calendar first. Personal booking is good enough. So initial contact. And it's going to be a 30-minute duration with me. We're going to confirm that. And we're going to close that. Right. In calendars, we've already done that. Okay. Now we're going to essentially integrate the calendar. So you're going to have to go in here and into connections. Actually, you're going to have to go into connections, but I want you guys to do it through here because it's a lot more intuitive. So you go into integrations and saying connect Google Calendar and go into calendar settings and into connections. So we were just there, and I'm just going to click here, take me there. As I said, interconnections, right? Now, the first thing that you guys are going to do is that you're going to add new, and you're going to connect your Google Calendar. I'm going to post a video and I'm going to do it myself. And as you guys can see, I've just connected my Google Calendar, and my Google Calendar, as a bonus, has Google Meets attached to it. So I really like that. If you do want to add your Zoom account, you can just click connect and you will be able to do that yourselves. The next thing that we're going to be doing is that, first of all, we're going to be testing out our calendars. So in calendars, you'll be able to see that I'm over here already as a user, and I'll be able to just like click over here and just say initial contact. And as you guys know, I created a dummy data before of a dummy contact, and I'm just going to select that dummy contact and I'm going to book that appointment. And as you can see, guys, on my Google Calendar, it says Ravi Pointer, which is my dummy data, and you already know that that's been connected to my GoHighLevel. Right, the next thing that we're going to be doing, guys, is that we're going to be integrating a Facebook page. So you will also be able to connect your LinkedIn or your TikTok or any other connections that you would want. But for now, we're just going to stick to connecting a Facebook account. So it's asking me to connect to my Facebook account, which I'm going to connect to. And now it basically gives me a list of pages that I've basically set up for myself. And this is the web page that I'm going to connect to right now, PR Market Report. So we're going to connect that and we're going to continue. Okay, so anyways, that's basically connected anyways. And what I do want to do is that I do want to go into this conversations tab, and I do want to go into my Facebook account. So this is the page that I created. So now what we're going to be doing is that we're just going to click message, and we're going to type in our first message, hello world, and we're just going to send that. And that should essentially appear on our conversations tab. And there you go, you can see that it's working. So now we've basically connected our Facebook, we've connected our calendar, and as you can see on our contacts, Ravi Lakwani Sham has also been added in as a contact. And if we click over here, we can see all of the conversations that we've had with this person. We can see the name, the last name, and all of the rest of the information that we've needed. Right. The next thing that I want you guys to do is that I want you guys to connect the Lead Connector app. So I've got Google, I've got Google Play, I've got Android. So I would be looking for Google Play and I would be searching for Lead Connector. And then that would basically, you need to install that, and it will have this kind of icon. You'll be able to sign in with your username, with your user email and password, and that will be essentially connected. So as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see it right there. It's just right there. I'm just gonna click on it so that you guys can see what it looks like. I'm just gonna make myself a little bit bigger. So yeah, guys, this is what the Lead Connector app will look like. So over here, we've got notifications, which is if something happens in your business, you'll know immediately. That is for our conversations. As you can see, that is the message that I sent to myself. Over here, over here is like your sales. Yeah, your sales. Your calendar is right there, and you also have this address book. So your leads right there. Right. So what we've done today is that we've gone over what GoHighLevel is, what a CRM is, how it fits into your sales process, and why you should use it. I've also given you guys a tour of GoHighLevel, and we've connected our Google Calendar, our Facebook page, and we've downloaded the app. In the next video, we're going to be going over some basic automations and how to build a form and actually implement it into your website, even though you may not want to use the website builder inbuilt into GoHighLevel. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.